Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best rain barrels. Starting at number 5. Augason Farms Water Storage. The Augason Farms rain barrel holds 55 gallons of water and is made from food-grade polyethylene. This barrel is BPA-free and meets the strict EPA standards for water storage. It's a great choice for emergency water storage in the event of a natural disaster or contaminated water supply. When used properly with the right water treatment, this barrel leaves behind no aftertaste. Note that treatment drops are available but not included. The closed system has 2 plug fittings on the top for easy filling. These rain barrels are about 2 feet wide and 3 feet high. If you're using them to store water, they're stackable and can be kept safely in temperatures between 55 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Augason Farms has been in business since 1972. Their products are made in the USA and they offer a satisfaction guarantee. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. At number 4. VINGLI 100-gallon collapsible. If you're looking for a collapsible rain barrel, check out this product from VINGLI. It features a strong PVC frame covered in PVC mesh fabric. This material won't corrode and is safe to use even in the winter as it's less likely to crack than typical plastic barrels. This rain barrel features both a spigot and a water outlet, each of which comes with 2 rubber valves to prevent leaking. There's also a mesh-covered top that prevents leaves, bugs, and other debris from getting in. Although you can use this rain barrel in just about any weather, you can easily collapse it and store it away until the rainy season comes around again. Assembly is easy too, so you'll be up again and running in no time. Another great thing about this design is you can link barrels together if you need more capacity. This design is also available in multiple sizes. Choose 50, 66, or 100-gallon capacity. Halfway of my listed number 3. Enviro World U10. This rain bucket from Enviro World is tough, durable, and built to last. It's made of high-quality injection molded plastic and holds 55 gallons of rainwater. There are child locking screws for safety and a powder-coated steel screen to keep out dirt and debris. The durable brass standard size spigot works with standard-sized garden hoses and is located at a height that's ideal for filling a watering can. At the top of the barrel is a 2-sided overflow with an extension hose, so you can connect multiple barrels together or run the overflow into another container. Another great thing about this one is the square design. It makes it easy to place against the outside wall of your home and can even fit snugly into a corner, and no base is needed. Plus, it's available in beige, black, or green, so you can choose the one that looks best for your home. Coming in at number 2. RTS Home Accents 50-gallon. Collecting rainwater to be more environmentally conscious is one thing, but using this 50-gallon rain barrel from RTS companies takes it to the next level. Why? Because this product is made from 100% recycled plastic that won't fade or rot. Since this rain barrel has a flat back design, it sits flush against the outside wall of your home, taking up less space and making setup a little easier. A plastic screen keeps out debris and insects, and the plastic spigot makes it super easy to hook up a hose and water your garden or hanging plants. This barrel has an authentic barrel texture molded into the plastic for a rustic, realistic look. You can link them together to increase water collection capacity, and the front side overflow prevents water from overspilling against the wall of your home, preventing possible damage. You can buy a matching barrel stand separately which raises the barrel off the ground, making the spigot easily accessible. It works great without the stand, but it's a nice thing for added convenience. And number 1. Good Ideas RW50 Oak. The Good Ideas rain barrel has a 50-gallon capacity and is made from the strongest UV-resistant polyethylene resin available. It's BPA-free and won't mold, rot, or rust. A 3/4-inch brass spigot is included, so it's easy to fill up buckets or attach a hose to water your plants. You can put the barrel flat against a wall of the home. This makes setup easy because you don't have to worry about getting an extra downspout. The flat back design gives it a smaller footprint, and you can easily link several barrels together if needed. A plastic mesh screen keeps out bugs, debris, and animals. It's also easy to remove for regular cleaning and maintenance. There's also a front side overflow that prevents water from leaking from the back of the barrel and affecting the outside wall of your home. One of the best things about this barrel is how great it looks. The distressed wood grain texture is available in 4 colors, so you can get one that matches the look of your home. Choose from oak, khaki, black, and green. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below.